you looking for a cheap, flexible mobile plan? Here's a quick breakdown of Tello Mobile, what it offers, what's great, and what's not, and whether it's the right choice for you. Tello is a low-cost, no-contract carrier in the US that runs on T-Mobile's network. That means good coverage in most urban and suburban areas, with improving rural performance. Now, since Tello users use T-Mobile towers, you get reliable 4G LTE and growing 5G coverage, especially solid in cities. No roaming on other networks, though. If there's no T-Mobile signal, you're out of luck. Tello's biggest strength is customizable plans. You can build your own plan. I want to see where exactly that is. Let's mosey on to plans. I say mosey on a whole lot. So right here, you can build your own. Pick how much data, how many minutes you want, even unlimited talk and text. Plans start as low as $5 a month, and unlimited talk, text, and data is around $25 a month. Way cheaper than big carriers. And you can change your plan anytime. No penalties, no fees. All data is high speed, but on the unlimited plan, speeds slow after 25 gigabytes of use. Still, for most people, that's more than enough for daily use, including streaming, browsing, and social media. Hotspot use is included at no extra cost, no separate plan needed. You just use your data. Tello also supports Wi-Fi calling, free international calling to 60 plus countries, and eSIM for instant activation on compatible phones. You can bring your own phone as long as it's unlocked and compatible with T-Mobile's network, or you can buy one through Tello. Not a huge selection, but enough to get started. And we can press phones up in here and actually check their phones. Wow, Nokia is still making phones. That's crazy. Tello gets great reviews for customer support, fast, friendly, and US-based. The website is clean, the dashboard is simple, and while there's no dedicated app, managing your plan online is super easy. Tello is perfect for budget-conscious users, light to moderate data users, kids, students, or anyone who wants simple, no-surprise billing, and people who travel internationally and make a lot of calls abroad. Heavy data users who need premium speeds 24/7 or live in areas with weak T-Mobile coverage might not want to look at Tello. Tello is one of the best big budget carriers out there. Cheap, customizable, and flexible with no contracts or gimmicks. If you're cool with T-Mobile coverage and don't need extras like streaming perks, it's a killer value. Like this video if you liked it, subscribe for more, and tell us in the comments what else you want to see from us. And I'll catch you in the next one.